Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are dreaming of starting in Canada, you are in the right place. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to fill out your student visa application online. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to submit your online application confidently and correctly. First thing first, ensure you have a standardized letter of acceptance from a recognized Canadian institution. This is crucial for your application. Head over to the Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada IRCC website. You can apply online or download a paper application if necessary. Complete a quick eligibility questionnaire on IRCC website. This will help determine what documents you need and if you can apply online. If eligible, you will receive a personal checklist code. Make sure to jot this down. Sign up for a MyCIC account using your personal checklist code. This account will be your hub for submitting documents and tracking your application. Gathering all required documents including proof of identity, financial supporting evidence, a letter of explaining your study intention, medical exam result if applicable, medical exam results if applicable. Log into your MyCIC account and fill out the application form. Uploads all necessary documents as proof. After completing the form, pay the application fee using a credit card. If required, book an appointment for biometric collection at a local visa application center. Once submitted, keep an eye on your email for update regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive a letter of introduction and possibly an electronic travel authorization ETA. Remember to travel with the passport you used for your application. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are well on your way to securing your student visa for Canada. Remember, preparation is key. Double check all documents and information before submission. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Good luck with your application, and I can't wait to see you in Canada soon.